हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो? माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर डी.के. सिन्हा एंड माई टुडे टॉपिक इज किंगडम फंजाई. According to R.H. Whitaker, Robert Whitaker, all living bodies, all living organisms are classified into 5 kingdoms. First Monera, second Protista, third Fungi, fourth Plantae and fifth Animalia. इस 5 में से हम लोग 2 किंगडम मोनरा और प्रोटिस्टा के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. आज हम लोग किंगडम फंजाई के बारे में जानेंगे. ओके, द फंजाई किंगडम फंजाई इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड माइकोटा and term mycota was given by von Arx in 1981. Before the von Arx, a term for fungi also given by Alexopoulos and Mims, and that term was mycete, and mycete term was given by Alexopoulos and Mims in 1979. Kingdom fungi shows a great diversity and habitats. Approximately 1 lakh species are present in kingdom fungi or mycota. Fungi are non-photosynthetic, heterotrophic, multicellular and eukaryotic organism. Exception Saccharomyces or yeast. Saccharomyces or yeast is unicellular fungi. Fungi, habitat of fungi also shows great variations, differences. It is called cosmopolitan livings. It means present everywhere in moist places. It also present on the surface of living body and in soil, in moist places, in dead bodies, on organic materials, etc. Okay. Now see, fungi non-photosynthetic, unicellular or multicellular. Only one example in unicellular, that is yeast, or multicellular heterotrophs, and eukaryotic. As like plants, the cell of fungi is covered by cell wall, but cell wall not consist of cellulose as like plants. In fungi, cell wall consists of chitin, and as like animal, a stored food of fungi is glycogen. A stored food is glycogen. As like animal, cell is covered by chitinous cell wall, and cell wall is the feature of fungi. Okay, so it contains some structure. Fungi shows in humus rich soil and in moist habitat. Great diversity means a species, more than 1 lakh species of fungi. Cell is covered by chitinous cell wall and a stored food is glycogen. A stored food is like animal. Presence of cell wall as like plants, but in plant cell wall consists of cellulose and in fungi cell wall consists of chitins. This is the difference. Next, non-photosynthetic means no any photosynthetic pigment present in fungi, and due to absence of photosynthetic pigment, it is saprophytes. It is saprophytes. Non-photosynthetic means pigment absent. Heterotrophic, mode of nutrition, and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is of two types. First, saprophytic and parasitic. In saprophytic, food takes from dead organic material. In parasitic, from host body. Host may be plants, animals, and humans. Okay. In saprophytic mode of nutrition, method of intaking of food is absorptive. Method to taking food is absorptive. It means absorptive method. In this method, first of all, fungi releases digestive enzymes outside the body. जितने भी सैप्रोफिटिक फंजाई है वह क्या करता है, पहले बॉडी से एंजाइम को बाहर निकालता है. That enzyme comes in contact of organic food material, and by action of enzyme, organic food material gets converted to simple form. And when organic complex organic compound gets converted into simple form, then that is absorbed by fungi. It means in fungi digestion occurs but outside the body, not inside the body. Okay. And in parasitic form, fungi absorb foods from host body with the help of a special structures called a special structure called Haustoria. Haustoria is a structure of fungi through which that takes food from host body. Okay, चलिए आगे. Fungi are present in both, means unicellular and multicellular. Example of unicellular fungi is only one, that is yeast or Saccharomyces. Mostly are multicellular, and the body of multicellular fungi is filament-like, filamentous, and filament of fungi is called hyphae, means multicellular fungi are filamentous, filament-like, and filament of fungi is called hyphae. Filament of fungi is called hyphae. Filament of fungi is called hyphae, and group of hyphae is called mycelium. Group of hyphae, group of hyphae is called mycelium. Group of hyphae is called mycelium. Group of hyphae is called mycelium. Mycelium may be septate or aseptate. Septate or aseptate. Septate means presence of septa. Suppose that this is filamentous body of fungi called hyphae, and these are nucleus. If septa present, this is called septate. Septa absent. Septa means partition wall. Septa partition wall. Okay, and if septa is not present, that type of mycelium is called aseptate. Okay, now see, aseptate condition is also called cenocytic. Cenocytic means multinucleated. Cenocytic means multinucleate. यहां जो मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट हुआ, एक से अधिक सेल के बीच सेप्टा का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ. जैसे जैसे माइसेलियम ग्रो करते जाएगा, हाइफी ग्रो करते जाएगा, न्यूक्लियस रिप्लिकेट करता है, न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड करता है, डिवाइड करने से एक हाइफी के अंदर न्यूक्लियस का नंबर बढ़ जाता है और वह कंडीशन होता है सिनोसिटिक. द मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड हाइफी ऑफ फंजाई not called syncytium. Syncytium is also multinucleated. यह भी मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड है, लेकिन दोनों में डिफरेंस है. यहां मैंने बताया कि जैसे जैसे हाइफी ग्रो करेगा उसके अंदर प्रोटोप्लाज्म का फॉर्मेशन होगा और न्यूक्लियस मल्टीप्लाई करता है, न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड करता है और न्यूक्लियस के डिवाइड करने से एक हाइफी के अंदर न्यूक्लियस का नंबर एक से ज्यादा हो जाता है, जो कि कहलाता है सिनोसिटिक। बट इन कंडीशन ऑफ सिंसाइटियम मोर देन वन सेल कम्स इन कांटेक्ट टू ईच अदर, अलग अलग सेल आकर के एक दूसरे से मिला, एंड आफ्टर दैट द पार्जीशन वॉल, सेल वॉल between two cell became dissolved. Suppose that one cell, two cell, three cell, तीन सेल एक दूसरे कांटेक्ट में आया, all cells are uninucleated, all are uninucleated, okay, and by dissolving the partition wall, this like inside three nucleus are present. It is also multinucleated, but in this condition more than one nucleus present inside a single cell due to dissolving of partition membrane, partition cell wall. इसके लिए हम टर्म यूज करेंगे सिंसाइटियम। लेकिन अगर न्यूक्लियस के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के कारण, न्यूक्लियस के डिवीजन के कारण न्यूक्लियस का नंबर ज्यादा होता है, तब उसके लिए हम टर्म यूज करेंगे सिनोसिटिक। सो फंगल हाइफी इज सिनोसिटिक इन नेचर ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस और absence ऑफ सेप्टा, एंड सेप्टा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर किंगडम फंजाई बिकॉज फंजाई इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू different groups such as Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Basidiomycetes on the basis of presence of septa or some other character also used such as types of spores, ascocarp, basidiocarp, etc. Okay, so next, septa present in mycelium, that is called septate mycelium, and septa may be is of different types. Means septa first complete septum, septum with central pore, and third dolichopore septum. सेप्टम भी एक से अधिक तरह का हो सकता है। कंप्लीट सेप्टम मीन्स सेप्टा प्रेजेंट बिटवीन two cell walls, this like suppose that mycelium hyphae and septa divides the cell completes into more than one or two parts. This is called complete septum. Septum with central pore in this condition. Incomplete septum is present, this like. In central part, a pore is present through which exchange of materials between two adjacent neighboring cells takes place. So this is called septum with central pore, and third is dolichopore septum. It means septum is barrel like around the central pore, this like. This is wall hyphae, septa, this type of septum is called dolichopore septum. So septum is also of different types. चलिए, तो आपने देखा कि पोर्स, डोली पोर, कंप्लीट पोर, सॉरी सेंट्रल पोर, इन सेप्टा का टाइप्स. अगेन जनरली aseptate hyphae found in lower fungi, septate, septa with central pore in Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. These are the types of fungi, group of fungi, and dolichopore septa present in Basidiomycetes. Okay. In condition of septa with central pore, sometimes in some case central pore is plugged by crystalline substance. Central pore is plugged by crystalline substance called Voronene body. This slide, suppose that this is mycelium, septa with central pore is present, and it is plugged by crystalline material. This is called Voronene body. ओके, तो ये तो हमने देखा फंजाई का जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स. अब जरा हम देखते हैं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फंजाई. फंजाई इज ऑल्सो क्लासिफाइड. दिस इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फंजाई. फंजाई mycelium of fungi may be aseptate or septate. Septa present or absent. Septate fungi, sorry, aseptate fungi also called Phycomycetes. Phyco means algae, means fungi as like algae without septate, without septa. So it is called algal fungi. Phycology, a study of algae. Phyco means algae, and a study of fungi is called mycology. Mycetes, mycology. So a study of fungi, mycology. Mycology, a study of fungi. Phycology, a study of algae. So aseptate fungi is called algal fungi, and algal fungi is also divided into two groups, Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. These are called lower fungi. Oomycetes and Zygomycetes commonly called lower fungi. And if septate mycelium, fungi in which mycelium is septate, and that is again divided in two parts on the basis of sexual reproduction. If sexual reproduction is absent, not present, not known, that is called Deuteromycetes also called fungi imperfecti, and the fungi whose mycelium is septate and sexual reproduction is also observed, known, that again divided into two groups, Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, on the basis of a spore. On the basis of a spore. In Ascomycetes, ascospore is formed. Ascospore. And in Basidiomycetes, Basidiospore. Ascospore is also called, Ascomycetes is also called sac fungi. Sac fungi, Ascomycetes, and Basidiomycetes is also called club fungi. And Deuteromycetes fungi imperfecti, it means perfect fungi वो नहीं है क्योंकि उसमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है। तो यह है फंजाई का टाइप्स। ओके, अगले वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ फंजाई। ओके, थैंक यू।